Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Microsoft Teams not opening Windows 11. To start, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, go to Windows Update and you will check if there is an update available for the system. After this, open the Windows Store. There, click on the Library option. Here, you are going to click on Get Updates and wait for this process to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you do this, open Settings again from Start menu. You are going to go to Apps to click on Installed Apps. Locate Teams, click on the three dots and click on Advanced Options. First, click Terminate to close this process. After this, click on Repair and wait for the application to be repaired. To finish, click on Reset and you must confirm this. You are going to wait for the application to reset. Now you can see which Teams opens without problems on your PC. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.